You're like, a little crazy. Try to make the squeakiest noise you've ever made in your life.
That's fucking. That's good. No, I'm gonna go higher. I'm gonna try.
I'm gonna try and go loud though. Go loud.
But
Give me loud. Don't scream. But just like,
hold on.
don't do that. Okay, go.
I can't.
Yeah.
It's because it's so tight.
That sounded like a balloon. A big balloon.
It did, and my throat hurts.
Mine too.
You gotta tighten it up.
I got like a vibration in the back of my neck, and I don't know if that's good or
You
bad.
gotta tighten it. You gotta tighten up those vocal cords in order to.
Go. Yo, you're letting too much air out now. You gotta.
I know.